Now, I'm down here in the Rochester, New Hampshire, looking into the great state of Maine. We've been bowling and thrashing, making quite the mess. It's always a mess. Everything's a mess. But we are building a timber crib dam. Making out pretty decent. It's still going the last couple months, but finally we got into our wood section. Pouring some concrete, some water, and into it here. Moving all kinds of materials, getting ready to lug them out by hand. Because soon we won't be able to drive the tractor to the bottom of the dam here. So we've loaded most of this material so far. We're headed towards that other hill. See, we're just over halfway there. So, latest and greatest, making it happen. Building a dam. I am Beaver.